Hello, and welcome to MadMapper's 3D mapping tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how to use MadMapper to map a 3D printed object. First, design a digital 3D object in a polygon mesh modeling program. A polygon mesh is a collection of vertices, edges, and faces that define a 3D shape. Export the 3D model as a mesh file. Second, generate UV coordinates for that object. UV coordinates are texture coordinates for each vertex. They describe how the 2D texture will be applied to the 3D object. Export the UV chart as an image file. Third, turn the digital object into a real one by 3D printing your mesh file. The next process is called pose estimation, where you'll match the virtual object to the real 3D printed object. Step 1. Set up your projector. Plug a projector to your computer as a secondary display. Note, however, short throw projectors will not work. After you plug in your projector, launch MadMapper, go to the Projector tab, select your main projector and match its resolution. Switch to full screen by hitting Command-U. Step 2. Position your real object in your projector. Throw a test pattern to make sure your object is contained within the projector's area. Disable the test pattern and go to the Surface tab. Step 3. Load your 3D object into MadMapper. Simply drag and drop your mesh file into your preview output. Step 4. Calibrate the projector. Pull the 3D object outside the projector stage and rotate your 3D object to roughly match the projector's point of view. Pose estimation in MadMapper requires you to match 6 non-coplanar points on the digital object to the corresponding points on the real object. To do this, click the Calibrate button. Now select one point. I'm selecting the leftmost vertex of the object in the preview output and drag it to its corresponding position on the real object. Repeat the operation for at least 5 other non-coplanar vertices. I selected the leftmost, rightmost, topmost, bottommost, closest, and the furthest vertices. Once you have positioned the 6 vertices, the 3D object will automatically match the real object. Step 5. Fine-tune. If you're experiencing spill, just click Edit Mesh. Now select any problematic misalignment and align it manually by dragging the misplaced point to the correct position. Repeat this for any other areas with unwanted spill or shade. This is where things get exciting. Add media, lighting, and a wireframe animation to the object. Add a texture by dragging and dropping your texturized UV image on the media list. With your 3D object selected, click the Effect button in the media list. To display the image on the object, disable wireframe and solid rendering mode and enable the textured mode. Now, you can add lighting by enabling the lighting rendering mode and adjusting the light position. The light is orbiting around your 3D object, which size is normalized. Finally, add a wireframe animation by clicking Create Lines from Visible Edges and adjusting the line and animation settings to your liking. And there you have it, how to use MadMapper to map a 3D printed object.